video we are going to see the list of questions on MBA first semester. So let's get started. The first subject is Management and Organizational Behavior. In this, the questions are definition of management, importance and its functions, describe management by objectives, techniques and process of decision making, levels of management, organization structure and design, short note on span of control decentralization, explain line and staff structure conflicts, formal and informal organization, nature, importance and process of controlling, definition of perception and its process, derived personality values, attitude and beliefs, theories of motivation, leadership styles. Next question, define groups and collaborative process in work groups, explain conflict, negotiation, team building, conflicts in group, Johari window, transactional analysis. So these are the questions under management and organizational behavior. Next subject is managerial economics. See the first question, definition of managerial economics, nature and scope, difference between opportunity cost versus marginal cost, theory of firm, elasticity of demand and supply factors, methods of demand forecasting for new and existing products, explain the cost concepts and its types. Write a short note on cost output relationships. Next, law of variable proportions. Short note on isoquants, Cobb-Douglas production function, methods of pricing and theories of pricing. These theories of pricing are perfect competition, monopoly, oligopoly and monopolistic competition. Inflation versus deflation. Inflation meaning types and its measure to control to inflation, deflation, business cycles and its policies. So these are the questions under managerial economics. Next subject is accounting for managers. Explain the concept of accounting, importance and its scope. Explain accounting principles. Problems on journal, ledger and trial balance. Problems on final accounts. Difference between funds flow analysis and cash flow analysis. Problems on funds and cash flow statements. Problems on ratio analysis. In this ratio analysis, there are different ratios are there. Cost accounting meaning and its techniques. Classification of costs and cost sheets. Explain inventory valuation methods, LIFO, FIFO and HIFO. Problems on weighted average method. Explain different types of budgets. Management accounting meaning, need and scope. Break-even analysis. Problems on break-even analysis. Difference between standard costing versus marginal costing. So these are the questions under. Next subject is legal and business environment. Meaning of business environment, environmental factors. Describe an Niti Aayog concept. Business environmental importance at national and international levels. Explain technological environment, its impact on business. Meaning of economic and political environments and its concept. Merits and demerits of economic system. Short note on industry policies, fiscal policies, regulatory and promotional framework. Concept of economic planning. Explain business law, scope and need. Explain breach of contract and remedies. Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 and Indian Contract Act 1872. Memorandum of Association versus Articles of Association. Duties of partners, partnership definition. Partnership Act 1932, dissolution of partnership. Short note on Information Technology Act 2000. Next, cyber frauds. Explain Foreign Exchange Management Act. Difference between sale and agreement to sale. Short note on Sale of Good Act 1930. Warranties Consumer Protection Act 1986. Next subject is Business Communication and Soft Skills. Communication definition and introduction and its process. Objectives of communication. Types of communication. Essentials of good listening skills and tips. Difference between formal and informal communication. Barriers to interpersonal communication. Difference between interpersonal and intrapersonal communication. Short note on kinesics, proxemics, paralanguage, haptics and handshakes. Mannerisms for interviews and business etiquettes. Mechanisms of writing and report writing. Describe business correspondence. Short note on meetings and managing meetings. Resume writing. Next, prerequisites of effective presentation skills. Communication skills for group discussions and interviews. Short note on assertiveness, interview techniques. So these are the questions under management, communication and soft skills. Next subject is quantitative analysis for business decision. Problems on permutations and combination. Problems on matrices. Problems on linear quadratic functions. Problems on correlation and regression analysis. Problems on rank correlation, and it's also called Spearman's rank correlation. Bayes' theorem of probability distribution. Problems on binomial, Poisson and normal distributions. Derived decision theory. What are the steps involved in decision making theory? Next, describe decision tree. Sampling and sampling distributions. Explain the concept of testing of hypothesis. Problems on one sample test. Problems on test two samples. Problems on chi-square test. Problems on analysis of variance, ANOVA. So these are the questions under quantitative analysis for business decision. So these are the important questions on MBA first semester subjects. Students, if you have any doubts related to case study, I will give the link in description box. You may get proper idea on case study. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.